Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family-friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a curried cauliflower soup. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now to start off with, we're just going to take a large onion, we're going to peel it and we're going to finely slice it. Then we're going to set that to the side and we'll take 3 cloves of garlic and we'll just take the skin off them. Again, we'll set those to the side. And then we're going to go over and take a cauliflower and just cut it into florets. Now we're going to go over to our cooker, take a large saucepan, we're going to spray it with some low calorie cooking oil, then we're going to add our sliced onion and our cauliflower. We're going to cook those for 5 to 6 minutes just until they're golden through. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. It does help me make further videos for you. So now that our cauliflower is cooked down and our onions are softened, we're going to add a tablespoonful of hot curry powder. Now we take our 3 cloves of garlic from earlier, we just crush them and then we add it to the soup. Now we're going to give that a stir around and just let that cook for a further minute. Then to that we're going to add a dash of Worcester sauce and 1 litre of vegetable stock. Again, we're going to give that a stir around. Now we're going to let that cook for 20 to 25 minutes just until the cauliflower softened and the curry flavours have all taken on. Now we take our soup and we let it cool for a couple of minutes, and then to that we're going to add 100 grams of fat-free Greek yogurt. Just give that a quick stir around. Then we're going to take the blender and we're just going to blend this until it's smooth. So now that you've got your soup to the consistency that you like it, you can have it thick or you can have it chunky. I just like mine to be smooth. It's now time to serve. So we just serve ours in a bowl. I've served mine with some beer bread. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. Then we'll just top it with a little bit of Greek yogurt and some parsley. So folks, again, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my further videos.